Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, a brand new day. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, it's Wednesday, June the 15th, 2022. We have three regular puzzles. The first one is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Then we have a binary and a Sudoku Medium. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you 6 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. This will be interesting because there are 6 given numbers. I've never saw a tectonic less than 8 printed digits. We have here 6 today, so I'm impressed. The binary we have here and the tectonic, and those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 6 extra puzzles. 6 of them I will solve, but first we will solve these 6 regular puzzles. First one I will do is a binary puzzle number 4701. It will be 4701. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. With this puzzle. Alright, we have a double O here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. And then let me see. Four. 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Well. 1 2 3 4. If I place number 5 here, 5 O's, we have 4 O's here. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 1 2, 3. 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 1. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. The fifth O. Here we have 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes! Finish in 6 minutes. Great! Binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye-bye for now.